Hey guys, this is Pure Prince, and I wanted to bring you guys another video on a product I've been using here recently and works with this company. This is Marswork. This is a reusable spool, and this thing's pretty freaking sweet, and I'm actually kind of liking these things. Probably going to pick some more of these up, but this will work with all of your refills out there, bamboo, sunlu, anything that's got the notch. It's really, really awesome. We can show you how this guy works. Comes in a great box. This is the front of it. You've got some spots here that are actually open, and you've got plenty of holes here for if you're drying your filament. And then you have this spot right here where you can actually print their design, where you can put tags and things on and stickers. The cool thing about this is these openings here on these sides, you can actually run the Velcro straps that they provide you with for each spool through here, and then you wrap it underneath of here, and this allows you to swap your refills if you want to change it out mid-print or change it out to a different color. So let's jump into it, and I'll show you guys how it should be strapped up and what it does. Alright, so I've gone ahead and I've separated my Velcro straps. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a Velcro strap right here, and we are going to feed it all the way through, and then we're going to come underneath of this, just like this, right? And we're going to take our other end. Now, you want to make sure this is tight, because you don't want this thing to unspool on you when you go to take it off. So make sure it's nice and snug, nice and tight. Keeps that filament binded together, and we're going to do that on each one of these open sections here. So we'll get through this, and we'll show you what it looks like. But this is quite a great idea. The guys and gals over at Marswork have a great product here, and so far so good. I would highly recommend all you guys go check them out. Maybe even pick some up for yourself. But it works really, really well, guys. Really, really well. This is an awesome product, and I couldn't recommend it better. But once you get those on, you're going to go ahead and basically pop it apart. It's not much to it. But these two spools here, you can go ahead and bam, look at that. I still have it clipped on with my filament clip, but that's essentially how this guy works, man. This is pretty simple. And then when you put your new refill back on, pop it back together, you'll hear the click, and then bam, you're ready to rock and roll. And something I did forget to mention is they do have a built-in filament holder right here, and it's the size of the filament, which is really nice. I still use the standard clips. I just find it easier for myself, but they do provide you a built-in filament holder. So thanks to the guys and gals over at Marswork for asking me to produce some content on this item. It's absolutely wonderful, and I would highly recommend you guys go pick it up. They've got a lot of other products, but this is the first one we've tested. So give them a good shout out, and yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.